Here, my name is Kindson Munonye, and I'm the application developer. And right now, I'm going to tell you about the PTrack I developed in 2010. So, what is the PTrack anyway? PTrack is an application, or let's say, it's a system used in the construction industry to track the project phases and the cost of a project execution. So we have this name PTrack. I chose this name PTrack just to highlight the use of this application as an application or a system that tracks the stages or the progression of the project. So that's the name project tracking. That is the full name of this PTrack, you see. So it can be used anywhere production takes place, be it oil industry, be it construction industry, be it fabrication, anywhere that production is carried out, the PTrack can be used. Or any kind of project, it can also be customized to be able to monitor any kind of project that progresses in the course of a schedule and going through phases. So I developed this application in 2010 in Nigeria, and I developed it for Eni Saipem here in Nigeria. Why did I embark on this very important and also relatively huge project? It's simple. I was employed here in Saipem, and I was told to build a system that will be used to check the progress of the project on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, and whereby the data and the report will be available in all sites in Saipem around the globe. So just like fabrication process is taking place in Nigeria here, a particular project is being carried out, maybe have been estimated to take maybe 2 or 3 years, and then anybody anywhere in Saipem could always check the stage the project is at a particular time, right from Milan, from France, anywhere around the world. You can see the progression of this project. So I was told to develop this project, and then I started. That's all. And I also have persons that were working with me. Mainly they are actually users. I was able to get the necessary information in terms of the requirements, and put all these things together and develop it. And then we have this Mr. Yoha that has been very helpful to me. In fact, he made it possible for me to be in Saipem here by making it possible for me to go through the stages of the interview or whatever. And I walked in his office, and he was able to tell me, this is the kind of reports generated every day, this is the kind of files that is generated, this is the particular kinds of data that will be updated on a daily basis. And he in fact, I take him like a father to me, and he was very helpful to me in the initial times I have to come into Saipem. And of course, you see, I developed this application as a solo developer, meaning that I wasn't working with a team. I just developed it. I started the first phase right through the end. I was developing this application myself. So the features of this application, well, this application is a feature-rich application, robust. I would say it has a number of features, but right now I'm going to highlight just maybe 3 or 4. One, it has a web interface and also a Windows interface, because initially I developed this application to run on Windows, and later on I developed a web interface so that it can be accessed from the browser anywhere in the intranet. We also have this feature of automatic report generation, whereby every day, every week, every month, automatically reports are generated and is sent to the project manager, the construction manager, the site engineers, the foreman, uh, based on the user settings anyway. So by day, by week, so they're able to see the progress, at what stage they are in the on the project, and see what necessary, what they have to do to complete the remaining phases, or what necessary actions they have to take. Then we have this analysis feature. The PTrack is able to analyze the data imputed. You can impute data by directly entering the data. The data is in form of spreadsheets, and also be in form of data from the site in terms of figures. It can be entered, and it has this analysis feature that analyzes the data input for the day, comparing it with the previous data for the next day, and it is able to report on the amount of work that has been done that particular day. It also has this easy to use functionality. What I mean is that this application is very easy to use. Anybody with just little training, or even no training at all, because I remember I was going from one desk to the other to explain to them how to use this system. Right now, there are improvements to be made in the PTrack system in terms of making it more robust, in terms of improving the user data entry procedures, in terms of flexibility, in terms of file handling, to be able to handle other different kinds of file, PDF, Word, and so on. But for now, it handles just spreadsheets and is able to extract this data. So in course of time, I'm going to make it very robust and flexible. Right now, I still work on the PTrack because requirements continue to change. Some construction manager comes and they say this is what they want, and you have to now go to do some customization to give the user what they actually want. Yes, I'll continue to develop application, and in another video I'm going to explain to you the mobile phone management system and application I developed here in Saipem and how it works. And maybe in another video too, I'll have to take you through the interface of the PTrack system so that you have a feel of how it works. I hope this video at least it helps you understand what the PTrack is all about. Thank you for viewing anyway.